Hello everyone, I'm Shreyas. Today we are going to talk about AWS. Let's look at the agenda here. Let's talk about what AWS is, why it's such a big hit. We'll have a look at the overview of the services. We'll see how much it costs and how big it is and what the feature of AWS is. So, what is AWS? Everyone is talking about Amazon Web Services. Let's have a look what it is. It's basically a global cloud platform which allows you to host and manage services on the internet. It's used by almost 80% of Fortune 500 companies to host their infrastructure, and it has a lot of services which provided to its customers. There is a infrastructure as a service, which means they provide a bare servers as a service. So you don't need to manage the backup and the power supply of the service. They provide platform as a service. You can get Java, PHP, Ruby as a services. So you don't have to manage the binary of these applications. You get a software as a service, wherein you get emails and capabilities like SES, you get queuing services like SQS. And it's a cloud storage platform, wherein you have a lot of storage options including EVS and S3. So all in all, AWS is a hosting provider which gives you a lot of services where you can run your own application on a cloud. So, all in all, AWS provides on-demand delivery of technology services via the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Now, let's take a look why it's such a big hit. Everyone is trying to use AWS. Everyone is trying to put their application on cloud. So, what is the reason? AWS is the top provider and the top choice for doing anything on the cloud. One of the biggest reason is billing. Billing is very clear. We get per hour billing. And it is a easy sign up process. For sign up, just the thing we need is one Google account and a credit card. So we can easily sign up. And the next one is simple billing, and it has a stability, and Amazon is a trusted vendor. Now let's have an overview of the most commonly used service. First and most commonly used service is EC2, which is Elastic Compute Cloud. This is the service which gives you a better service. So this service will give you a machine which you can launch and you can run your software on those. You can get a small or a big machine based on your requirements. The second choice is VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. So Amazon will not allow you full control of their cloud. Instead they give you chunk of their cloud, which is VPC. So VPC let you create networks in cloud and then run your servers in those networks. And the next one is S3, which is simple storage service. So S3 gives you an opportunity to upload and share files. So it's mostly a file storage and sharing services. And then you got RDS, which is relational database service. This allows you to run and manage this database on the cloud. So they got almost all the major flavors of database, right from SQL servers to Oracle and MySQL servers. And the next one is Route 53 is there for DNS. So they got managed DNS services wherein you can point your DNS to Amazon and they can take care of your stuff. So it's global DNS services, it's scalable DNS service. So it's scale according to demand. And the next one is Elastic Load Balancing, which is ELD, is a service which gives you an opportunity to load balance of incoming traffic to multiple machines. So in this way you can scale up your web application to any number of users, and you got auto scaling which adds the capacity on the fly of Elastic Load Balancing. And how much it cost? First one is per hour billing for almost everything. And the next one is region specific pricing and term specific pricing. And the last one is spot resources. Future of Amazon. First one is 64 service currently. Means Amazon is having a 64 services currently. Launching a new service in all the domains. Focusing on a machine learning. And it's also focusing on a SaaS products. And it's trying to reduce its cost. Means reduction in cost.